What up, gang? We back with another one of those videos today, man. Alright, so what we got going on in Atlanta Banshee today? We outside today. And we in that Camaro. Y'all think I'm lying? Y'all hear that motor, man. We outside today. We finna shoot out the Duke shop. We finna see if he got my air filters for that Red Hawk, man, so we can go and get that thing on the road. Like I said, I'm missing a couple pieces. I got a few of the pieces at the crib. We're gonna go and shoot one with me putting them pieces on, man, and we're gonna do that first test run on it, man. If y'all haven't, man, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe, man. There's two things in the world that don't cost. That's one, is it costs $0 to be yourself, man, and two, it costs $0 to subscribe to this channel, man. So go ahead and mash that subscribe button, man. Atlanta Banshee, we trying to get over 1,000 subs, gang. So let's go ahead and run that thing up, man. Share it to your friends. Also, we got Kevin out here at the shop. The guy that had bought the Banshee from Duke, man. This is his first 2-stroke, so he done had it for about 6 months. So we're gonna tap in with him, and we're gonna see how this thing he actually right here. We're gonna see how this Banshee treating him. Y'all remember this bike? See how good he been taking care of the bike, man. See what we got, gang. See what Kevin on. You can tell he been riding it. It's dusty as shit. Riding the bike. Oh!
What's up, homie?
There go Kevin. What's up with it?
One day at a time, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been a minute, man.
In a minute, man.
So how the bike been treating you, man? How you feel about a 2-stroke? I know you ain't expect me to get out with the camera. But I had to. How's it been treating you, man?
It's different, man. Different power, maintenance. So you put in the work for preventive maintenance, it'll run good. So that's what I'm doing now. Like this one right here, man, if it's tuned right and everything like that, it's a bunch of power that you're gonna have to handle, but you have to get used to and comfortable with it.
So you comfortable now?
Yeah, I'm pretty much comfortable.
So you walking wheelies and shit?
Yeah, I can pop a couple wheelies, but the thing is too, man, like, you know, the machine that they don't tell you, cause you gotta listen to it. It'll tell you when it's about to do something. The only thing is though, when you get overconfident, it will put you back in your damn place. I guarantee you that.
He said put it back in your place, gang. So what he's saying is he bought the bike, he got comfortable with it, and I think it
put me on my ass.
Okay, so that's what he's telling y'all. The bike put him on his ass. He went all the way around the corner, then just saying it put it on his ass.
That's what it is. So I'm getting a spark plug change, getting a throttle change. Also, I'm gonna ask him about 2 other things I want to look at. But outside of that, we should be damn lucky.
But yeah, man, this is the bike. How long you had this bike? About what, 6 months or something like that?
Yeah, I'll say.
I guess he wants you to pull on back.
Yeah, I'll say.
Oh, okay. About 8 months? Yeah, he done had the bike for about 8 months, man. So we finna get to the back, man. When I go holler at my partner, 2-stroke. See what we got going on, man. Back full in this motherfucker, man. It working, man. It's really working, man. Y'all know who it is, the bully, the one and only. You know, you gotta bring your bike to him, man. So you can have you fucking shit up out there in the streets, man. Did the what's the names come in? The air filters. They ain't came in yet. So pretty much that's what we waiting on, the air filters for the Red Hawk gang. I guess Kevin having a hard time. Monday? Yeah, it is a holiday. So yeah, I had to come out here and, you know, check on them anyway, man. It's been a minute since I seen my folk. So and I was tapping in to see if the air filters came in. Blue bike.
Oh, that's a sale.
You gonna walk me through it before we get up out of here?
Oh, just a little, they got a stock hot rod crank in it, stock cylinder, ported pilots, 28mm carburetor, 20T5 pipes on there, all OEM electronics. Just a nice little solid bike, man.
That motherfucker running?
Motherfucker strong.
Yeah, that's what's up. So on a comparison on that one and this bike that's coming back here, you know, that's been my all-time favorite bike.
Yeah.
Which one?
That's a solid bike right there too.
It's about solid as that one?
I like it. Yeah, that's a solid one.
This motherfucker out here, nah, I ain't gonna ride it today. Not today. Not today, I ain't gonna ride it. But this was, you can't come back?
I don't think I can fit you.
Just roll it out right up.
We go help you. All right, go help you. Bike. The most solidest bike that I like. You know, I like all the Banshees, man, but you know how you have your favorites. This was my favorite here, man. So, Kevin actually did good. He done had the bike for about 8 months. He ain't blew it up yet. Still running. He doing something good, ain't
So good.
he? Yes, sir. You know how to put it in gear? Cool. Yes, sir. Ain't had the time to put them on.
I had some damn what's it called? You put over the pipes, cause I damn burnt myself trying to fucking hold on to it with my damn.
I want to have a look at this bike.
Yeah. Hard headed, man.
So this is the bike right here, gang. All right, gang, so this is the bike right here he was just talking about that he do got for sale. So, yeah, it is pretty nice, man. It is pretty nice there. Yes, sir. She nice little motherfucker. What you asking for this again?
I'll say 55 to it.
55? 55 ain't bad, gang. Crank that thing up for us. Crank that thing up for us. One kick. All you need, one kick. And that bike was cold. We literally just got here. He ain't been out here. Kicked it one time, started straight up. Smoke. Real 2-stroke smoke right there, gang. It's most definitely that. Bag.
I'm gonna get him a video right quick, man. Show him what to do. I got you a pair of socks or something to put on your shoes, man.
Give him a video.
Might as well.
I don't think I could do no video today.
You wanna do no video?
Not today, gang. I would, but I got somewhere to go. I'm already a little hot and sweaty, and I don't want to be sweaty, smelling like smoke, man. You ain't got no shoes in your truck?
No what?
No shoes. So,
I ain't gonna show up today. I ain't gonna do nothing today.
well, not today. We ain't gonna show out. Actually, we may have some video for y'all. We'll see. We may have some video for y'all, man. But yeah, man. He trying to get some of this stuff out of here for me. So we can, as you can see, he loaded out here, man. So I ain't pressuring him. I know how this shit go when it's working on bikes and shit. So let him take his time. Hit me up when he ready. So me and the wife can get out there and get jiggy together. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, we'll be riding shortly, man. See if she gonna be able to keep up with the kid though. I ain't gonna leave my wife out there, man. But yeah, man, yes, sir. Gang. Next episode on Atlanta Bench. Bury this bitch. See what she do. Y'all ready?